for this month? Ladder what? Ladder safety? Okay. Okay. So everyone knows about ladder safety? We have been working here so long time, almost with ladders. Everyone knows about that one? Ladder safety? Roshan?
Yes.
What do you know about ladder safety?
That will be Hindi or English? Hindi.
Anything can.
Hindi?
Yeah.
Sir, come here.
Yeah. Come, friend, come. Just 2 minutes. Just say something. What do you know about ladder?
भाई अगर कोई आदमी लैडर पर काम करता है तो ऊपर जाना तो ना ही एक आदमी को लैडर कैच करना चाहिए। दूसरा बात, लैडर के लास्ट तक में नहीं जाना चाहिए और लैडर जिधर भी लगाना है सेफ नीचे प्लेस देख के सेफ एरिया है लैडर के नीचे उधर रुक सकता है उधर लगाना।
कोई भी लैडर यूज करेगा, ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले देखना है कि उसमें जो मंथली कलर कोड होता है वो है कि नहीं, ठीक है, और जो भी नीचे लगा हुआ है उसमें साइन है कि नहीं, बराबर है कि नहीं, ठीक है। उसके बाद कोई भी यूज करेगा, एक बंदा बराबर ऐसे होल्डिंग करेगा, ठीक है, और जो भी ऊपर काम करेगा मतलब 2 स्टेप छोड़ के यहाँ तक स्टार्ट करता है, ठीक है, इसके ऊपर नहीं है, ठीक है। आप बराबर पकड़ना है, इधर उधर देख रहे हैं, पूरा मतलब कि बढ़िया से इसको पकड़ना है, ठीक है।
इस लैडर को कैसे करें?
इस बात में मिलते हैं ना, एक बंदा पकड़ेगा पूरा ऐसे मतलब कि ऐसे पकड़।
Okay, good.
This ladder you are using for high grading, but this ladder mentally not using for low grading. So if you want to make this ladder, should be one people holding this before you climb up. And also this straight ladder, it also good position for the straight holding this one people. Okay? No need to run up without holding this ladder. This is become problem for this all people content.
वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज हमारा टॉपिक सेफ्टी लैडर के बारे में है। और लैडर 3 प्रकार का होता है, 3 टाइप का होता है। एक एल्युमिनियम का, दूसरा लकड़ी का और तीसरा फाइबर ग्लास का। जब भी आप काम करेंगे तो काम के मुनासिबत के हिसाब से आपको ना लैडर सीढ़ी लेना है। जितना हाइट पे आपने काम करना है उसी हाइट का आपने सीढ़ी इस्तेमाल करना है। ऐसा सीढ़ी इस्तेमाल नहीं करो कि जहां आपका काम तो हाइट पे हो लेकिन आप सीढ़ी छोटा इस्तेमाल करो, आपका हाथ वहां तक नहीं पहुंचे। और दूसरी बात, जब भी आप सीढ़ी इस्तेमाल करोगे तो सीढ़ी के ऊपर लिखा होता है कि आप कितनी हाइट पे काम कर सकते हो या कितना वजन उठा सकता है। और दूसरी बात, सीढ़ी जब भी इस्तेमाल करोगे तो नीचे और ऊपर फिक्स करना जरूरी है। अगर आप फिक्स करेंगे तो आप गिरेंगे नहीं, अगर फिक्स नहीं किया तो कुछ भी चांस हो सकता है। दूसरा, सीढ़ी जिस जगह पे आप काम कर रहे हो ऐसी जगह नहीं हो कि लोग आए जाएं या सामान लेके जाएं, सीढ़ी को कोई हिट करे और आप गिर जाएं। और तीसरी बात, सीढ़ी हमेशा जो है ना वो सेफ जगह पे होना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं है कि डिक्लाइन हो, ऊपर नीचे हो, एक उसका पाँव ऊपर और दूसरा पाँव नीचे हो। आप सीढ़ी को इस्तेमाल करते हुए हमेशा ख्याल रखें। अब जब आप ऊपर जा रहे हैं तो आपको 3 चीजों का ख्याल रखना है, 2 हाथ, 1 पाँव या 2 पाँव 1 हाथ। और जब भी आप सीढ़ी से नीचे उतरेंगे तो नीचे उतरते हुए आपका जो ध्यान है, वो जो फोकस है वो सीढ़ी की तरफ होना चाहिए, तो इधर उधर नहीं देखें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Almost everyone we are all aware of some of the things, right? 80 to 90% we are all aware of ladder safety because we have been conducted in toolbox talks, trainings. Also last year we have conducted. Okay, so we have a knowledge of almost 90% of the ladder safety. Okay, so again this is again like a refreshment training because so it's some people may forgot or some people may join in our team newly. Okay, so it's again a refreshment training to make sure everyone aware of the ladder safety. Okay, clear? Okay. Okay, so As our people said, like we all know, 3 types of ladders were there, right? What are the 3 types of ladder? Anyone can say? So we have 3 types of ladder. First one is single ladder, okay, and we have step ladder and we have extension ladder. The yellow color one, what we have, that one we cannot bring it today, but everyone aware of that one, right? Extension ladder, okay. So first we will start with step ladder, okay. Sorry, single ladder. Actually, okay. Okay, so this is the correct positioning of the ladder, okay. Now you have seen over here in the ranks over here, you can see over here, see the sliding, the angle they have given, okay. So first what we need to check, okay, so this is our ladder, okay, you are going to carry out the job over there, okay. First what you need to check in the ladder?
Good condition.
Good condition. All the ladders cannot withstand, like for example, we have different size of different weight of people, and then different sizes of people, and then different height we will reach, okay. So for different ladders, so different capacity, the holding capacity will be different, okay. So you need to see first the manufacturer instruction, okay. Here you can see the manufacturer instruction. Every ladder it will be there. In some of the ladders it won't be, okay.
ऐसा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग स्टिकर रहेगा, हर लैडर में रहता है। एक बार इसको ध्यान देना कि ये है या नहीं है, इसके हिसाब से आपको पता चलेगा ये सेफ है या नहीं है। हर कंपनी का अलग अलग स्टैंडर्ड रहता है, कलर कोडिंग रहता है, किसी में टैग वगैरह रहता है। हमारी कंपनी में दोनों है, कलर कोडिंग भी है, टैग भी है। आपको ये चीज़ देखना है कि कलर कोडिंग है या टैग है। फिजिकली एक बार इंस्पेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि कहीं पे हो सकता है कि हमने टैग लगाया हो मंथली में और उसके बीच में किसी तरह का कुछ इंसिडेंट हो गया हो, हमारा लैडर डैमेज हो गया हो, तो उसको भी एक बार फिजिकली चेक कर लेना है, ताकि ये आपकी सेफ्टी है। आप अपने आप को सेफ करेंगे। जब तक आपके अंदर फुल कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा, आप उसमें काम करते वक्त नर्वस होंगे, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप इंसिडेंट या एक्सीडेंट करने के संभावना को, चांसेस को बढ़ा देंगे। इसलिए पहले कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाए, देख ले, चेक कर ले, फिर आप काम कर सकते हैं। मुश्किल से 5 मिनट लगेगा अगर आप रैंडमली इसको इंस्पेक्ट करेंगे तो।
Okay, clear everyone? So first is the inspection, okay. So first is the inspection. So once we inspect it, okay, then okay, the load is also correct, okay, so we can carry out the job. So we need at least 2 person, right? One person who needs to hold the ladder, downside, okay. Then the another one who will carry out the job over there, okay. So while we are climbing the ladder, what are the things we need to do?
बताओ भाई।
Sorry, before climbing the ladder, one thing I forgot this one. For this single ladder, for the A-type ladder, we can put it as it is while we lock class finish. But for this single ladder, what we need to make sure?
1:4.
Yeah, 1:4. Yes, that's correct. Okay, 1:4 ratio. Okay, so this is 4. This one, the horizontal level should be 1. For example, 1 meter. If it's for example 0.5 meter means 1 meter from the wall. This is the wall, right? If it's 1 meter from the wall, or maybe 50 centimeter from 1 meter from the wall means it should be 4 meters height. You understand? Okay. For example, you see this ladder how many meters? It's 3 meters, right? It's 3 meters height, right? So how many meters from the wall we need to put it? Place it.
75.
Yes. 75.
75 centimeters.
Yes, okay, 75 centimeter, that is 0.75 meter. Okay, we need to make it. So if you measure it exactly, then you can place it. Cover all the points. Okay, from the flooring, the level of the flooring, and also the use of ladder. When we want to use the ladder for the light work activity, like low risk activity, we can use that one. Okay. For example, if you want to install something on the rods over there, or you want to make a drill on the ceiling, okay, don't use this type of ladder, because you see the pressure you want to make it right, to put the ladder over there, to make the drill to be get into the ceiling, okay. So that time you can make a slip, it may slip, your foot may slip, or you may drop something. So that time the ladder won't be a good thing, okay. For small pictures, what we are doing in the laboratory, okay, for short term period, okay, for example only 5 minutes work or 10 minutes work, I'll just go and tighten up, then I will come down, then okay, again I will start after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes, again I will go up, and then I will come down, that is okay. Okay, for the short term activity and also for the low risk activity where we can reach the height. It's like, for example, it's like less than 3 meter. Okay, for example 2 meter height or 2.5 meter height. If I reach it the working level, then it's okay. Okay, clear? If you are going beyond that one, then we need to go for either scaffolding or maybe the another way like mobile elevated working platforms. Okay, clear? Clear, huh? Okay.
Yes.
So that's the first thing, huh? Okay. So once we inspected the ladder is in. We will make sure, okay, the ladder is in good condition, everything. Okay, no problem. So the another guy is also there to support you. So now you can start the ladder. Start your work. Okay. Before starting your work, what you will do? You will carry some tools, right? So that's the main problem. Okay. So always try to carry your tools, whatever the tools you want to bring it. Okay. Either in your tool bag. Okay. So we will try to provide that one. Okay. So I am planning to purchase that one. Okay. But I don't know how good it going to support you, because sometime you will maximum time I have seen you guys are taking the drill machine. Okay. And drill machine is the maximum time. It's a heavy tool, right? That one you cannot put it on the lock, I think so. But the small tools, okay, for example screwdriver, spanner, pliers, those things we can put on the tool pouch. Okay, tool pouch. Okay, so that one we can carry. So while you are getting up, that is while you are climbing, and then while you are descending, don't carry any tools in the hand. Okay, try to avoid as much as possible. That should be avoided. Okay, so always you need to maintain how many point of contact?
इतना पॉइंट कांटेक्ट होना चाहिए जब भी हम चढ़ेंगे या उतरेंगे लैडर के ऊपर।
3 point of
देखो ये सेफ तरीका बता रहे हैं कि अगर किसी लैडर के ऊपर चढ़ना है तो 3 पॉइंट कांटेक्ट कैसा होना चाहिए? 3 पॉइंट कांटेक्ट कैसा होना चाहिए? 2 हाथ 2 पैर।
एक पैर।
Okay, sir.
ऐसे जब उठा तो ये उठा, ये रखा, इसको ऊपर ले सकता है ऐसे।
Okay, sir.
ये लास्ट। जब यहाँ पे सेट हो गया, दूसरा किसी दर पे काम कर सकता है ऐसे।
यानी आप टॉप के ऊपर कभी खड़ा होकर के काम करने का मत सोचना कि ये लैडर और 2 रंग ऊपर है, हम और ऊपर चढ़ करके पूरे टॉप के ऊपर खड़ा होकर के काम करें, बिल्कुल ऐसा मत सोचना, कभी अलाउड नहीं है।
So I am the one going to work over here. Okay, so I am the one going to inspect. Okay, not you. The person who is going to work. Okay, need to inspect. Okay, not the co-worker. Just don't say the co-worker. The co-worker will say, okay, I inspected. Yeah, you can go. That's it. But you are the one. Your life is in the risk, right? Okay, so you are the one need to inspect. Okay, everything good or not? Okay, that is good. The color coded. Inspection done. The rungs are strong. Okay, everything okay. The flooring also okay. Everything no problem, right? Okay, so what work we are going to do? What work I am going to do? Making a drill, or maybe I am going to install some conduits, or maybe I am going to tag some stickers or something like that. Okay, what I need to do? Okay, the material is there, but I will give you the material. I don't bring it. I will bring some only the tools, hand tools, if the pouch is there. Okay, then I will make sure to maintain the, what is that? What is that? 3 point contact. Okay, 2, this one 1. Okay, so at all times I need to maintain the 3 point contact. Clear, right? Okay. So you can see, it's coming. So the guy need to put pressure, the downside guy. Okay. So to make sure, okay, it should not get fell down. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. So this is my working level. Okay. So it is 75 degree. It's more than 75 degree. I think so. Okay, sometimes you cannot do, because maybe all the utilities will be going here. What you will do? You cannot maintain the 75 degree, right? That's what happening, right, in our work site. It's not like how we, here it's everything plain. Here you can maintain whatever the degrees you want. But in the work site, suddenly one pipe will be dropping and the cable tray will be going, so you need to put under that one, then you need to reach over there. Okay, so that's the main thing the guy need to hold below. Okay, so always you need to maintain this 3-point contact. Okay, one hand, okay, no problem. Okay, then you are getting the tools, or maybe you have the tools, you want to tighten it, then you can go reach. You see the safest level everyone knows, huh? Okay, like this, or maybe like this, you can make it, or maybe here. Okay, but you should not keep the ladder here, then doing that thing, automatically you need to see.
एक पैर निकल गया, 3-point contact खत्म हो गया.
Okay, so now become 2-point contact only, right? Okay, then slip will happen. Okay, you understand? You don't understand? So that's the thing we are failing. Okay, nearly around. Okay, come down. Nearly around 1,60,000 death is happening because of this ladder. Only in the US. Okay, what I have data. Okay, in that maybe I don't know in the entire world how much is happening. Okay, so the data saying that 1,60,000 injuries, I think so, in around 300 deaths per year in 1 year. Maybe in the 2020, this much persons have died because of the ladder. Very simple. We will see like, very simple job, right? In our home also it will be there, right? The ladder. But that's the major category in the working at height. Because normally people will choose first ladder, right, for working at height. Whatever the work at height, the work first they will choose the ladder because it's easy, comfort, we can transport everywhere, we can take different sites, we can move immediately, we can do the setup. Okay, we will prefer the ladder first. Okay, that's why the working at height deaths is the first death, the highest ratio is from the ladder. Okay, so the next is scaffolding, then it's coming about other working platforms. Okay, so make sure the ladder while you are working on the single type ladder. Okay, make sure these points always maintain the 3-point contact and also your body, because what we are noticing here, the main thing is everything will be there. Okay, maximum time around 90% time one guy will hold the ladder, you guys will maintain the 3-point contact while you are climbing. But after climbing, what you guys will do to reach the point, the working area, you will extend your body. You will do like this. I will go and drill. So all the time will not be the same, right? You guys know, right? Okay. So even in our company, we may get injury. Before have an injury, have first aid cases have. It doesn't mean that it won't happen for us. Nothing like that, right? Okay, clear? Hold the ladder. First you need to do the pre-check. Okay, whatever the problem, you need to say. Platform is stable? Not stable, right? So what we can do to make it stable? Okay, proper platform, or we need to put some underneath to make it stable. Because some areas we cannot get the stable, the same level ground, right?
Okay. 3-point contact.
Okay, clear? So what you are going to do at the top? You are going to open the ceiling. You are going to make it drain.
The ceiling, or I need to take the screw.
Okay, okay,
How it goes in my pocket.
okay.
और एक बंदा जो गलती करता है अपना टूल्स वगैरह इसके ऊपर रखता है और उसके बाद क्या करता है, भूल जाता है. फिर लैडर को जब हिलाना होता है, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट करना होता है, वो टूल्स आपके सरों पे गिर सकता है. कभी कभी आप हेलमेट भी नहीं पहनते, खोल देते हैं हेलमेट, पता नहीं उस टूल्स का क्या वेट है, उसके हिसाब से क्या आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी बनेगी. ये चीज भी नोटिस करना. उसके ऊपर कोई टूल्स वगैरह या नट बोल्ट वगैरह ये सब नहीं रखना. उसके ऊपर भी बहुत सारे लोग टूल्स वगैरह नट बोल्ट रख देते हैं, जो कि बिल्कुल अनसेफ है. ये क्या करता है, बंदा काम करने जा रहा है, वहाँ पे टैग लगाना है या कोई स्क्रू खोलना है, वो स्क्रू खोला, खोलने के बाद इजी क्या है, उसके पास पॉकेट में रखने के अलावा उसमें रख देता है लैंडिंग. उसके ऊपर रख देता है, बाद में हटा कर वो भूल जाता है, वही चीज के ऊपर मारने में गिर जाता है। ये चीज भी मैं ऑब्जर्व किया हूँ साइड पे, जो ये चीज कभी
Okay, so shall we go up above this one? Chana. Okay, this one? Chana. Right? Why we should not go up? What is the problem? Everything strong, everything good. Why we are not allowed to go up? The top two rungs.
As per the safety,
As per the safety, we should not go. Not as per the safety. Okay. The safety may also wrong, right? Okay. So if you go up, what you will get? You will get the stability of the ladder will be very loose. Okay. Always. So while we are carrying on the work, always we need to always we need to face the ladder side, right? Ladder side. Okay. So we are going here. Then you see, at least if I was here, at least almost half of my body is leaning on the ladder side. If I go somewhere, you see, if I go somewhere like this, okay, I need to see, if I get fell down, I can fell down and then I can down. If I go somewhere up, what will happen? See?
balance.
No balance, right? Okay, at least if I was reaching only up to this one, so I can get the stability. Even if I was, sometimes you guys will do with the two hands, right? You can lean on this one, the guy who is holding on the ground with the strong wind, we can lean and then we can fix it. Whatever it is. Okay? Clear? So that's the main reason we are not allowed to reach on the top two rungs.
हार्नेस यूज कर सकते हैं सीढ़ी के ऊपर जाते हुए हार्नेस
Okay. The harness, that is another question. Yeah, good question, that one. Okay. While you are using the safety harness, okay, the safety, if you are here, for example, here you are going to work. If I am using the safety harness, if I reach over there, it's around how many meters? From here to here?
340 360 3 meter 60 cm
3 meter 60 cm, that is 3.6 meter. Right? Okay, if I use the safety harness, where you will hook the one? Where is your anchorage point over
if
here?
there is a place if there is a place
Yeah, there is a no for this kind of thing, where you will hook?
we'll use this module turn over this hooks
Okay.
the modules
The bars you are saying, okay? Okay, for example, if you hook on the bar, your lanyard is almost how many meters? The lanyard you are hooking, the lanyard.
less than 1 meter to the height. It's 1 meter height.
No, that is fall clearance. No, I am asking how many meters the lanyard? The one when you say 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter the lanyard. Okay, and then so if your anchorage point is above your head, okay, above your head level, okay, you can hook it. Okay, normally what we will do, we will work on the ladder. Just for the sake, we will hold it like this, we will go somewhere near some pipe or cable tray will come, like this we will hook, just for safety purpose. Nothing going to happen. You will get fell down, then you will be on the floor already. Safety harness won't save you. Understand? You understand the thing, Shaukat bhai? Safety harness won't save you. But if in case your anchorage point is above your height, okay, maybe your working level may be here only, but your anchorage point you can kick over there. Okay, like this if you have, then if you fix your lanyard over there, then the clearance will be at least 1 meter, the fall clearance. Then you can, if you accidentally fell down also, you will be landing safely. Correct?
Thank you.
Clear, right? So there is no faida while you are climbing or descending or your height is very low level, but your safety harnesses will not save you. You understand? Because you see the height of the safety harness, the lanyard 1.5 meter, and you have shock absorber. Okay? Then that one will, if it's get removed means, then you will directly get fell down on the floor. Okay? Okay? Two things what we have noticed so far in our experience for the past 1 year. One thing is the spreader. Okay? The spreader everyone knows, but most of the time I have seen, okay, maybe 50% of the time the spreader will not be like fully extended. Okay? For urgency or maybe I don't know. Okay? To speed up the job faster, you guys will do like this. Right, okay, one guy, but still the guy was holding, but the spreader will not be full. Okay, and mainly in the ladder, in the big ladder, what we have the 14 steps, right? The one, the spreader will not be fully extended. Okay, so to make sure every time the spreader need to be extended properly. Then another one for the electrical shutdown time or the electrical activity, mainly for the shutdown time, don't use the aluminum ladder. Okay, the electrical team, please keep in mind that. Okay, we have small aluminum step ladders also. Try to use the fiberglass ladder. If you need, okay, give us the request, or we need this 10 step ladder, we will buy it. Okay, please, okay, try to avoid use of aluminum ladders as much, okay. But anyway, we are not working on the line, but still, as a safety measure.